I don't think the demand for foams was that high that we needed another pair of pink foams. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Soulpost, and this is another Soulpost unboxing. Today we have up for review is the Air Foamposite 1 Elemental Rose or Air Foamposite 1 Rust Pink. Truth be told, I don't know why we have this colorway. We have a completely fine pink Foamposite already, the pearlized pink colorway. And if you were really pressed to get a pair, you could probably get one for about what you would pay for the current price of a Foamposite now. Let's take a look at the box. The box is a standard Nike box, the black box. It's got the Nike logos, and the color code on the shoe is rust pink, white, and black. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a rust pink Foamposite upper with the suede overlays wrapping around the tongue, and you've got a white with rust pink outline Nike swoosh. Moving towards the tongue, you've got a black mesh tongue with the rust pink stripe going up or down it, depending on how you're looking at it, and the penny 1 cent logo on the tongue. Also, you've got the black and pink pull tab. It's black with rust pink stripes. On the insole, you've got the rust pink Nike swoosh on a black insole. On the heel, you've got this kind of monochromatic rust pink 1 cent logo. The shoe has a carbon fiber shank plate with the icy translucent outsole with the black pods for traction. Like I said, I just don't have any clue why this colorway exists. There's subtle differences at best. The pearlized pink colorway is a little bit more of a true pink. It's a darker pink, but I don't think anybody is so pressed to the point where they're not going to purchase that pair over this pair. But again, it's to each of their own. If you want a pair, you can by all means go pick up this pair. I don't know, it's just basically one of those whatever shoes. Like, we have a shoe that already fills this purpose, so there was no need for a second shoe. All right, so let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Ryan Litzel.
The Air Foamposite 1 Elemental Rose, or Rust Pink, hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on April 20th for a retail price of $230. Alright everyone, this has been another Sole Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Sole Post channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Sole Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.